the microphone without permission now.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Who is this child who is late? Okay.
मैम जिसने हमें घर
Yes.
बनाया था मैम जिसने हमें घर बनाया था उसने हमने करना है
Yes. Now put off your microphone. That is called general awareness notebook. घर बनाना था ऐसा नहीं. Name the notebook. Subject का name है ना वो notebook के ऊपर लिखो. Don't ask such questions. Now you are in grade 1. You can't ask such questions. जिसमें घर बनाया था, जिसमें ये किया था. Not like that. Everybody has written wild animals and birds name. Just show me a thumbs up. Has everyone written wild animals and birds name? No putting on the microphone, please. Just give me a thumbs up. If you have written this wild animals names and birds names. Pahel, you have not written. I had sent this as homework.
मैम मैंने किया
Okay, Viona, you don't need to put on the microphone without permission. You need to raise your hand. Yes, Jivansh. Okay, done. Okay, then when you have just give me a thumbs up and I will come to know. You don't need to raise your hand. Riyansh, put off your microphone. Yes, okay, Kaira. Okay, so now we are going to do farm animals. So open a new page and write farm animals and write today's date. And even if you are done, just give a thumbs up. No need to raise your hand and tell you are done. Okay? Lower your hands, everyone. Jivansh and Ridan, lower your hands.
मैम are we going to write
Yes, Nivi, put off your microphone. Please take permission to put on the microphone, please. You all are supposed to write this in the notebook, farm animals.
excuse me ma'am
Veer, I told you to put on. I will remove you from the class. You need to raise your hand, Veer. You are disturbing a lot. Yes, say.
बुक में से मुझे अच्छे से नहीं दिख रहा
Then increase your screen, this thing. Make it big, you will be able to see it. Now lower your hand. Is everyone able to see it? Just show me a thumbs up or down. Don't put on the microphone. You're not able to see? Now are you able to see it? Just show me a thumbs up. Okay, fine. Yes, Nivi, what happened?
ma'am when can I show
finish
So
writing, I
now
will
our
tell
emotional
you.
work.
Yes, when we finish writing, I will tell you. Okay? Nivi, have you finished writing? I can't see you writing.
No, ma'am, I am writing
Write fast.
because I only have one pencil and it's super small.
Okay. Okay, very good, Veer. Ridan, good. Okay, just show me a thumbs up if you are done. No need to raise your hand or turn on the microphone. Yes, okay, Riansh. Okay, Pahel. We'll just wait for everybody to finish. Yes, Pahel, what happened?
Ma'am,
Yes,
what is GOOSE?
goose.
Goose.
Yes, goose.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, your screen is a little stretched out.
it is, but everybody is able to see it, Nivi. You can't see?
I can, but it's stretched out.
Yeah, it is going to be like this only, beta. Okay? Yes, who has a question? Okay, Vihan completed. Okay. Okay, children, write fast. We'll go to the next slide now.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Jivansh, you need to raise your hand. What happened?
मुझे अभी दिख नहीं रहा.
दिख नहीं रहा है?
नहीं.
क्या नहीं दिख रहा है?
Done, ma'am. F के बाद A के बाद वो नहीं दिख रहा. A के बाद नहीं दिख
The
रहा.
presentation is little smudged, ma'am.
F A के बाद नहीं दिख रहा.
FARM, farm.
Ma'am.
Yes. Okay, Jivansh, put off your microphone, please. Yes, Henny, what happened? Okay, Pahel. Okay, Jivansh बेटा आप next page पे अभी लिख लो. I'm because everybody has finished writing. So I'm going to the next slide. Okay, ये वाला बाद में लिख लेना आप. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, now this is pet animals. Pet animals. Write today's date. Yes, Fiona.
Done.
Okay. Fiona, next time if you are done, no need to tell. You can just give a thumbs up. Okay. Nivi, have you finished writing, beta?
No, ma'am.
Then what are you doing, bacha? Why are you playing around?
I'm not.
Okay.
मेरा नहीं है.
हाँ लिखो. It's okay. I'm waiting. Yes, Veer.
मैम गोल्डी फिश के बाद क्या है?
कुछ नहीं. It is just goldfish. It is not goldie. It is goldfish. There is nothing after goldfish.
थैंक यू मैम.
Welcome. Okay, good, Pahel. Very good, Jivansh. Good, Janvi.
डन मैम.
Okay. Okay, just show me a thumbs up. Everybody has finished doing it? Everybody is done? Okay, fine. This is on the next page. Is everyone able to see it? Just show me a thumbs up or down if you're able to see it. Okay, fine. Yes, Veer, Mundra, you're not able to see it? But if I increase it, then it will be too big. This is too big. It won't fit in the screen.
मैम
Yes,
स्क्रीन में दिख रही है.
yes, ma'am, it is there. Okay, Veer, now you're able to see it? Okay, fine. Yes, Jivansh, what happened?
मैम क्लीन नहीं दिख रहा.
अभी दिख रहा है? Okay. Riyansh, what happened? Tired of writing? Riyansh? Then why aren't you writing? You have to write these blanks. Fill in the blanks. The first one is lion lives in a den. Lion lives in a den. Yes, Veer, what happened now?
मैम आपने जो EILLNETH जो लिखा है ना वो सब मैं लिखना छोड़ दूं क्या?
Fill in the blanks.
यस.
क्यों? हेडिंग तो देना पड़ेगा ना. क्या हो गया हेडिंग में?
EILLI
EILL नहीं है, FILL है.
हाँ ये वाला मैं ऊपर एकदम ऊपर वाला छोड़ दूं.
क्यों?
जिसमें कुछ नहीं, जिसमें आपने 1 to 9 लिखा, 1 नहीं लिखा.
हाँ, लेकिन वो हेडिंग है, वो क्यों छोड़ोगे?
क्योंकि वो मेरे से हो ही नहीं रहा अच्छे से, उतना नहीं.
ठीक है, छोड़ दो. मम्मा को बोलना बाद में लिख के दे. And lower your hand.
मैम
Yes.
मैम हमारा हैंड रेज नहीं हो रहा है, कब से कर रहे हैं.
हाँ, but then ma'am, I'm presenting, so I can't see it. Yes, ma'am.
टाइगर लिविंग किसी का नहीं
Tiger lives in cave.
is not he
horse
or living
Sorry?
or living.
Horse lives in stable. Stable. Stable.
okay.
Okay, thank you. Ma'am,
Yes, Jivansh.
F F I L FILL के बाद नहीं दिख रहा.
क्या बात कर रहे हो जीवांश? सब कुछ ही तो दिख रहा है. Fill in the blanks. FILL space in
I N.
in in.
मैम ये लास्ट है.
Yes, this is the last one.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
Yes.
अब मेरी मम्मा को भेज दो. अब मेरी मम्मी को स्क्रीन भेज दो क्योंकि मैं घर में लिख लूंगा.
Yes, I will send it. I will send this to everyone. So don't worry. I'm going to send this to everyone. So don't worry. How much ever you can write it down. Rest, I will send it to you. Okay? Yes, Jivansh, what happened?
आप बहस देना ये सब करने मेरा ये मैं बाद में कर दूंगा.
Okay, fine. No problem.
Ma'am, I cannot see. अब देख पा रहा हूँ.
Okay. Okay, children, has everyone finished writing? Okay, do one thing. Everyone just stop writing.
मैम मैम
Yes, please.
मेरा नाम चला गया था. मैम
It's okay. Put off your microphones, please. Everyone put off your microphones. Put off your microphones. Okay. So it's okay if you have not finished. I'm going to send this to you. Okay, I'm going to send this to everyone. It is okay if you have not finished writing. Yes?
6.
It's okay, Henny. Now it is the reading session is going to start. So I will have to end this class. Yes? So it is okay. I will send this to everyone. Okay? So now Neeti, Kiwi, Pahal. Okay. Ridan, I'm announcing something. You cannot talk in between, please. Please maintain discipline in the class, everyone. Okay, Neeti, Nevi, Pahal and Preet will speak and others. Nevi, I'm still talking, beta. Okay, Neeti, Nevi, Pahal and Preet will stay back and others can leave the class.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I want to show how my emotions were.
I know, beta, but we are actually running out of time. Okay, you want to show it to me only? Or you want to show it to everyone? Okay, show it to me. Chalo, I will see. Okay, you want to show it to everyone? We'll do one thing. Tomorrow, first period, you do this. Okay?
Okay.
First period, first thing, you do this. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Rudra is in class. Bye bye. Bye. Okay, Neeti has to stay back. Neeti, Nevi, Pahel and Preet are staying back. Okay. Okay. Okay, everyone put off your microphones. Okay, Neeti, can you start reading?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, start.
Which one, ma'am?
Bob sled.
Bobsled. Bob.
Neeti, start reading from here.
Bobsled.
Yes.
Bob.
Okay, everyone. Nevi, put off your microphone. Neeti will start reading, please.
Bob. Sat on the what is it? Sled. He
Slid
slid down a no, hill. Hill. Bob had fun.
Yes. Next.
Again.
Again, no, you read only 3 lines. You have to read one full paragraph. Come on, start reading.
Another one.
Start.
Tim sat on the
Step
step. Bob ran. I
Try.
tried the
No,
sled
Bob sat on the step. Tim
sat
sat on the sled. He
No, it.
slid
down
down
the
the
hill
hill. The sled
sled
hit a
big
big
rock.
Row of K. Rock.
rock. Lock.
Look
Look at the sled.
Slow. Ed.
sled
The sled
Pin.
Pin. It. Was
Fun.
one said the
Tim.
Tim.
Okay. Okay, put off your microphone. Maybe put on your microphone. Nivi.
Bob slid.
Yes.
Bob sat on a sled. He slid down the hill. A hill. Bob had fun. Jim sat on the step.
Step.
Tim sat. Tim sat
Step.
the step. Bob can I try the sled?
Slide.
Slop.
Ed. Slide.
Bob sat on the sled.
On the step.
Tim sat on the sled. He slid down
No, it is not slide, beta.
Hill.
Slide.
Slid down the hill. The
Sled.
hit a big rock. Look at the sled.
Sled.
In it was fun. Sled.
Said.
The Tim.
Very good. Okay.
Said the Tim.
Okay. Good. Okay, Pahel, beta, put on your microphone.
Yes.
Yes, beta, start reading.
Bob's sled. Bob sled.
Sat.
A.
Sat on the sled. He slid down a hill. Bob had fun.
Very good. Next.
Tim sat on the step. Bob, can I try the sled? Bob sat on the step. Tim sat on the sled. He slid on the
Slid.
hill.
Slid. ID है ना?
Slid
Hmm.
down the hill. The
Slide.
sled. He hit a big
Rock.
Look at the sled spin. It was the
It was
नहीं है.
it was fun, say the Tim.
very good. Very nice, Pahel. Okay. Yes. Preet, put on your microphone, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, start reading.
And Bob ran.
Bob sled.
Bob sled. Bob sat sat on the sled.
The sled.
He slid down a hill. Bob had fun.
Next.
Team sat can
On
sled.
Bob.
Bob,
Yes. Can I
can I try the
the
sled?
very good.
Sled.
Yes.
Bob sat
On
sat on the step. Team sat on the sled. On the sled.
yes.
He
Slid
slid down the
hill.
hill.
Very good.
The sled hit a big rock. Look at the sled. It's pink. It was fun, said Jetty.
Very good. Very nice. Okay. Good. Children, but still you need little more practice. Yes. Okay. Okay, children, your reading class is over. You can leave the class. Okay.